A killer Ryobi hack. This is a killer deal. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Big shout out to Chris Deal Team 6 Facebook group. They posted this deal. Killer hack. All right, so OnePlus 18 volt cordless brushless HP 6 tool combo kit. This is, if you guys don't know what this is top of the line Ryobi tools. These are brushless tools, the newer version of these tools. You got a hammer drill, impact drivers, reciprocating saw, circular saw, multi-tool, a light. Looks like you got a battery. You got a big battery and a small battery and a charger in a bag. All right, so we got a nice set there, $2.99, right? Don't get scared. Don't get scared away, because you're gonna be able to hack this. You go free gift with purchase. You click on that. And if I can click on it, it's not gonna let me because I already got some stuff in there. So yeah, it's gonna give you two options, right? It's gonna give you two options, and once you you add that to the cart, and if we go to the cart here, I already have it added to the cart because it's not. See, I'll do it later for you guys. Remove our items. So I'll remove our items, and I'll just go back and do it for you guys because you guys probably want to look at that. All right, so onto the free gift with purchase. You guys are gonna select that. You're gonna be able to select the 18 volt high performance lithium 6 amp hour 2-pack for $278, or you're gonna be able to select a brushless cordless airstrike brand nailer with 4 amp hour battery at $239. So these are both killer deals. If you guys are able to hack them, I'm gonna choose the $278 because we want to get that kit to the lowest amount as possible, and this is the way to go. So if you guys go down here, you're going to get $144. You're going to pay $144 for these two 6 amp hour batteries, which is not a killer deal. Well, actually, it's not bad, but the one we want is the kit, not these batteries. So you guys are able to return these batteries, walk into the store and return them. All right. And you're going to be able to keep this 6 tool combo kit for $154.94. That's a lot of tools for $154, guys, especially if they're Ryobi HP. Even if you have Milwaukee, rigid, whatever you have, the wall, the yellow, the red, whatever, blue. Well, this is a great backup kit for the house, for the, just to have as a backup. Definitely a killer deal. That's a lot of tools for $154. Anyways, I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.